Hey guys, let me show you how to reset your Huawei Watch GT free. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let's go in the main menu by clicking this crown on the right side. And here we need to rotate the crown to find settings. Let's open it and now go in System and Updates tab. Here we can see many options, but we are interested in the reset one. And now we need to confirm to erase all data to start the reset process. Just click this check mark. And as you can see, the screen turned off. And now we are gonna wait a couple of seconds till it will turn on again. Great, now it suggests us to choose a language, which means that the reset process has been completed and now we need to reconnect this watch to the phone. So that's all. Hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.